Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on or enable dark mode in Google Chrome web browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Turn on dark mode. In address bar, type Chrome clone // then flag Chrome clone / then flag. Now hit enter. Now in search flag, type dark mode. Look, auto dark mode for web contents. Automatically render all web contents using a dark theme. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, Fukasia, Lacrosse. Okay, by default, the option is default, and that means dark mode is not enabled. Now click on default and click on enable. Then you will find a button. Your change will take effect the next time you relaunch Chrome, and you will find a relaunch button here. Now click on relaunch. Look, now dark mode is enabled. Now I'm going to open another tab. Look, the Google browser. Now I'm going to open another tab, facebook.com, and all web content will appear in dark mode. If you want to disable dark mode, just type here Chrome the same way, Chrome clone / flag, and again the auto dark mode for web contents. Now click on default and then relaunch. And again open Google Chrome. The dark mode is disabled from Facebook and other website also. Now close Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.